We are here, me and Maxie, to update you guys, and it just rained a little bit, but overall, it's been a really nice day. They did say it was gonna rain, but I don't know what happened. Like, it just sprinkled a tiny bit, and that was it. We were supposed to have a get together with some people, but we canceled it because we were supposed to get rain, but I don't know what happened. But let me show you the progress, guys. So, look. What? What's missing? OMG. Okay, so see, yes, I like my greenhouse, but the truth is it was looking like a cluttered mess out here with the greenhouse. As you can see, we're still working on stuff. This sand is the sand that you add to the pavers. So we just added it, and now we're just letting it like sink in a little bit, and then you brush it, and then if you need to add more, you add more. So this is what's going on. This is pretty much what I want the backyard to always look very clean when you look out here. No mess, no clutter. I do have some plants here and there because, well, the other side is not done, so I can't really move everything over there. So yeah, let me just show you. Ooh, the shed is so pretty. It's so cute. I like it right here. So that's cute, and it's nice and big for my husband to put all his stuff in there, so that's a plus. And this is a 8x15 shed, and it's a Lifetime brand. If anybody's interested, we ordered it on homedepot.com, and then they shipped it to the store and we picked it up, and that was it. I put a lot of my plants in here that I had just around. There's still some plants that I need to address, but I've just been busy with other things, and then I didn't sleep the other day at all because I had too much caffeine, because I was just trying to, you know, be pumped to do all the work that I needed to do. But anyways, this is looking really nice. I really like it. Here's more of my plants that were scattered. Like I said before, it won't be like this cluttered. I mean, I don't think it looks bad. It looks fine. So yeah, that chair is not going to go there. We just put it there for now. I like it actually in front of here. Looks like a cute little sitting chair. So that's it. Everything's doing really well here. And then I will update you on a casualty. Let's update you on a casualty. Okay, so my beautiful aloe. Remember when I told you guys that I was able to remove some of the babies? I guess I didn't know that I hurt the plant. This is what I'm assuming that happened. I'm not sure. I just can't explain of why it melted. The plant just melted. It had no reason. And temperatures did drop, but to 50. Like, that's it. Nothing else. So I don't understand why the thing started melting, unless what could have happened is when I removed the babies, I guess maybe I left a wound and it didn't dry out, obviously, and maybe that affected the plant. I'm just assuming here because I can't explain. Nothing like that has ever happened. Right after I plant something, for it to just melt like that on me, it's never happened before, so I don't know. So yeah, I have some plants that I need to update you guys that I've been buying. Not these two, because I bought them a while back ago. You guys already know about these. But these are the $2.98, guys. Look how big they are. These are the ones that I get for $2.98. So I got those. They looked really nice, so I got them. Possibly for an arrangement. I might pop one of these in there now. Probably. I got to work and did some things that I needed to do that I was constantly procrastinating on. Maxie, stop whining. I potted up some propagation that needed to be done, so I did that. So yeah, overall everything else is doing fine here. Here's a little piggy. Here's this one. You can see it's doing well. This. That was in the greenhouse. I don't know if I'll put it back or not. At least I have some babies. You see what I'm saying? Look at the babies. The babies are perfect. So something happened. I don't know what happened to the mama, but they're the babies. And I didn't water it. I didn't water it, so I don't understand why it melted. The only explanation that I have is that, you know, that's what happened. So overall, everything else is doing really well. Those are the ones that I potted. This was, I was rooting this. Look at how cool this is. Such a cool plant with those spots. This was in the ground before by the palm tree, and I cut it up and rooted it inside the greenhouse, and now it's ready to come out. And look, so blue over here. It looks like big old floppy ears, elephant ears or something. Look at my my variegated flapjack. She needs a nicer pot. I just put her there for now. And so let's show you the progress on the greenhouse. Ta-da! There she is, and look at my majestic mess. Isn't it beautiful? No, guys. All this will be taken care of. Probably this coming up week. You know, my husband has to work, so he could only help me so much. And then we could only keep paying somebody else to help me so much, you know? Like, hello, that's a lot of money. So, yeah. But here's my grass, my little walkway grass. And I made a mistake, and it sticks out like a sore thumb, and I cannot fix that. I cut this and I flipped it the other way so you can kind of see the color difference, but it's only because the bristles are going at a different angle. And I think that's impossible to fix. So yeah, there's nothing that I can do about that. See, it looks so much darker over here. It makes no sense. When you look at it from here, it's fine. But yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do, if I keep it like that or not. I mean, it's more visible in the camera. It's not that visible in person, so I don't know. Anyways, everything's in there. Everything is in there. Oh, and now I'm next to the pool pump. So I might turn it off sometimes when I make a video, but then I might forget to turn it back on. So I don't know about that. I need to really think about reminding myself to turn on the pool pump because then I'll get in trouble with my hubby. But this is just a quick little tour just to update you guys. I'm not going deep into details about stuff. But what's it called? Yeah, I just wanted to show you guys. So yeah, this is my big hot mess. As you can see, I have a pretty big yard. This is pretty big. I had, there was a playground here and a trampoline. Trampoline's still going in here, you know, because the kids really want that. That my husband has to work on, and then he will take it to the lot. We have a lot that we pay for in the neighborhood to put it in, so we'll do that. But the next step is to put down the rock in this section. Then once I put down the rock, we'll bring in the new mulch, clean everything, set it up, and all that stuff. And I just wanted to show you guys. Look at that. Someone threw this beauty out. It's so pretty with all those babies. I gotta pot her up. And look, she was growing in Florida dirt. You see that sandy stuff? That's Florida's soil. So I hope that you guys can hear me because of the pool pump. But anyways, that was my quick update, guys. See, it looks so nice and clean when you look over there. So that's cool. Look, to show you some candy. I call it candy because it always looks like yummy candy. And jelly beans are doing well as well. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. You guys have a blessed day. Bye, guys.